Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are thrilled to showcase a star product that's ready to be shipped to Brazil, our high-performance open-type fin punch press. First, let's get to know the key details of this machine. This is our CFP65 open-type fin punch press, a precision-engineered piece of equipment tailored specifically to meet the needs of our valued Brazilian customer. What makes this punch press stand out? It comes equipped with two sets of customized fin molds, each designed for distinct heat exchanger production requirements. Let's break down the mold geometries for you. The first set features a tube outer diameter of 9.52 mm, a pitch of 25.4 mm, and a row distance of 22 mm. The second set also has a 9.52 mm tube outer diameter but with a pitch of 31.75 mm and a row distance of 27.5 mm. Both molds adopt the popular V-waffle fin type with a rippled edge, which ensures excellent heat transfer efficiency and structural stability for the final heat exchanger products. Another notable feature is the flanging height range of 2 mm to 9 mm, providing great flexibility to accommodate different production specifications. Additionally, one of the two mold sets is specially designed with heating holes, further expanding the machine's applicability for various heat exchanger manufacturing scenarios. As a professional manufacturer of heat exchanger production equipment, we have our own factory located in Ningbo, China. With years of experience and expertise in this industry, we are committed to delivering reliable, high-quality, and customized equipment solutions to our clients worldwide. Whether you're from Brazil or any other corner of the globe, we warmly welcome you to visit our factory, learn more about our production process, and explore how our equipment can support your business growth. If you have any questions about this CFP65 fin punch press or other heat exchanger production equipment, feel free to leave a comment below or contact us directly. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.